welcome to my studio. I'm so excited to show you my second matching set that I actually made last year during the year of slow sewing. I got on this kick with this pencil skirt and Isabella tank, and I'm loving the combo. So let's talk a little bit about the outfit. The skirt is just a simple pencil skirt sloper pattern that I use all the time because I love just a basic pencil skirt. And I just drafted this myself. This is from a draft that I did in school. It's just a basic pencil, well, it's not even really pencil because it doesn't, well, yeah, I guess it's a pencil. Because a peg, it doesn't come in really at the sides. It's just a straight skirt that's high-waisted, fitted at the waist, lots of darts to get that nice good fit. And I gave this one a nice big pocket, just like the other one. I was really pressed for fabric, so I actually had to piece this pocket together, which you can't really see the seams because of the print, so I love that part about it. This sort of funky tropical print canvas I got from a Thrifty Notion when I was buying a different fabric, and I just spotted it right before checkout. It was a small piece, but I added it to my order and I just love it. It's got this like peachy background with like a lime green leafy print. Those leafy prints are very popular these days. And I didn't have enough of it to make a full top, so I of course had to do some color blocking. And this navy, another like canvasy material, was actually in my stash left over from a client project, and I don't even remember what that was. I just know that that's where it came from. So I did some color blocking. I actually am not 100% happy at where this line ended up. It's a little too high up close to the bust line. I feel like it would be a little more flattering if it was a little bit lower. I don't remember how I decided. I think I just kind of like looked at the pattern and took a guess. So next time if I do this, I'll lower it down a little bit more. And I wanted to add something fun to the bottom, so I found this perfect matching pom-pom trim. I've been loving pom-pom trim lately, and I wanted to incorporate those more like fun details into my outfits, so I just had to throw some pom-pom trim on this top. And what I love about this is that I can wear them together as like this funky little two-piece dress, or I can wear them separately as like statement pieces on their own with a more basic top or bottom to go with it. The back is pretty simple on the skirt. Again, I have two darts here, and I love the keyhole and just the overall silhouette of this Isabella top. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. This is again a sew-on slash spit up and stilettos pattern that is now free. I will be sure to link it below. They are out of business, and so all their patterns are free. And this top is just so dang adorable. I love this cut of shirt, especially in the summertime, because I don't like anything close to like my armhole area. So lots of good breathing room here. And I am just so pleased with the way this came out. I think it'll get a lot of wear this summer. I'm sorry it took me so long to share it with you, but I can't wait to finally take it off of my things to photograph hanger and put it in the closet so that it can start getting some good wear. And of course it's gonna get some good dancing, because I mean, when you're wearing pom-pom trim, how can you not dance?